Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you all are doing fine. And as you can see कि धूप बहुत हो रही है and everybody is getting tan. Nothing is hotter than the sun these days. So tan का home remedies मिलना it's kind of difficult, but I have a solution for you guys. It is a longer procedure, but eventually it gives you good results. So without wasting any time, let's get into our anti-tan home remedy. So for this home remedy, we need 6 different products. First, we'll need flour या आटा. The next product we'll need is rice flour. The next important product is multani mitti. To mix these 3 products together, we'll be using milk. And to cleanse your face after using these products, we'll be using baking soda. And the last and the most final product for moisturizing is aloe vera gel. Let's not waste any time and I'll just show you how to make this paste. So first we'll start with flour. We'll take a tablespoon of flour. The next product we'll use is rice flour, 1 tablespoon. The next product we'll use is multani mitti, 1 tablespoon as well. To make a paste of all these powder products, we will use 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm just adding 2 tablespoons right now just to see the consistency, and we'll eventually add more if the consistency is too thick. The consistency is too thick, so I'll add another spoon of milk. This is how it should look. So our next step will be cleansing our face first. We will clean our face with wet wipes. The mixture that we just made, we'll apply it on our face. You can use a brush or you can use your fingers. After you apply it on your face, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. This mixture can also be used for your hands, your legs, or anywhere that you have been tanned. And it is very effective, but you have to be consistent with it. Use it at least once a week. You can wipe it off with tissue paper or you can just rinse your face with water. So after the first step of application of these products, our next step will be cleansing. We need to cleanse after using these products to remove the tan on our skin. For this, we will be using baking soda, and milk. Just add a tablespoon of baking soda to the bowl. And just 1 tablespoon of milk. We'll mix these two products together. It will have a very watery consistency. Take a tissue paper, dip it into the mixture. You can also use a cotton ball instead of tissue paper, and just wipe your skin. Use your fingers to rub the baking soda on your pores, because baking soda also acts like a scrub. So it will deep cleanse your pores. After you have rubbed the product in your skin, make sure that you use very soft hands while using this product, because baking soda is harsh and you don't want to cut your skin while using baking soda. So use very soft hands and scrub it very gently. After doing this, just wash off the product and I'll be right back. So once you're done cleansing your face with baking soda and milk, wash it off, and the last and final step of our anti-tan home remedy is aloe vera gel. Just take a little bit of aloe vera gel on your fingers and just apply it directly. It acts as a moisturizer. This is the most essential step for people with dry skin. Do not forget to moisturize your skin. So these were the 3 steps of our anti-tan home remedy. I hope it helps you remove your tan lines. And if you really like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And if you want any more interesting videos or home remedies like this, comment down below and we'll surely work on it. Follow us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips, and you can follow me on Instagram, Simbo Art. Thank you.